I hope you are all well today. I have brought a new video for you guys in which you will get to see some more beautiful designs. Some of the designs in this video are very simple and some are a little difficult. Which designs do you like the most? I will definitely tell you in the comments. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and like the video. People who are not good at knitting can make it very easily by watching it on YouTube. You will find both basic and advanced video on YouTube. You will get ideas in my YouTube videos. In this video you will find many kitchen designs which are very beautiful. People can make and sell such items at home and start their own small business. There is also a lots of demands. You can make many things with knitting, such as shoulder bags, mobile holder, sweaters, socks. You can make anything, you just need to know how to make knitting. If you want, now you can also order it online from any Instagram pages. I have put together a lots of ideas and designs for you in this video, some of which are made of flowers and some are cute and mini pizza, pandas, zinger burger. Which kitchen do you like the most? Be sure to tell me in the comments, and which designs will I bring in the next video. You can also customize of any Instagram pages according to your ideas. This is a huge demand of knitting and crochet during the winter seasons. If you make it yourself and sell it, you will make a lot of profits. Create a small brand
If
on
you
Instagram.
just
Want to make a basic kitchens and you are making one of the first time, I will suggest you make flowers. In this video you will get to see all the toys. There are also many kitchens which are very beautiful and cute. You can make whatever you like yourself. If you don't know how to knitting, you can learn on YouTube. You will find basic video on YouTube and on my YouTube channel. You will get ideas, so many ideas. You can see any designs and make it. You can also take basic classes on YouTube. If you want, you can learn to do step by step. First you have to practice the loops. If you make the loop well, then the first step of our knitting is very beautiful and good. Then we work on knittings and we can easily make any shape we want to give it, whatever it's a sweaters, it's a crockery, it's a kitchens.